An interesting news report has come out today for professional monitoring studios in Hollywood. There is a new monitor that is out for studios now, and this is from Flanders Scientific. They've announced their brand new XMP555 display. Look, this particular display is 55 inches. They use it in a very professional high-end studio to color correct and take care of any movies that have been shot on the highest frame. The reason why this particular monitor was released was just to upgrade and not really upgrade, but more or less like replace the discontinued very popular Sony BVM-X300. Now this particular Sony is a discontinued monitor that was fantastic when it was there. A lot of people said it was one of the very best monitor that you could use to get the best out of your movies that you've shot, especially when you're color correcting and doing your editing. This was the monitor you use. But this is a quantum dot OLED monitor from Flanders Scientific. It is definitely going to be as competitive on the market as it gets, but these professional monitors are very expensive. They are very, very expensive. You just have to pay the money to have it in the studio. Another thing here is that you have a pixel efficiency on it that's 99.99%. 2000 nits. It has 2000 nits. 2000 nits is very, very bright. 2000 nits. I don't think you need more than that to present your movies that you've shot. And that was the limiting factor with the Sony, the BVM Sony, that Sony could only hit 1000 nits. It's an OLED monitor as well, but this is better. This is better. This quantum dot is definitely gonna have more vibrant colors. It will definitely be better overall. It looks quite nice. It really does look quite nice. So most thing you have to know is that the company Flanders Scientific, they want to give people options. They want to give you options. If you want to be in Hollywood, you need the best gear to showcase your film that you've shot, especially if you're editing or trying to change some things. You need the best display to show you if there is any flaw in your production. I will drop details for the brand new Flanders Scientific XMP550. You know, if you like this content, then go ahead, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys very much next time.